Graduation is an exciting time. The path to your degree was filled with countless assignments, exams, sleepless nights in the lab, and Capstone Courses, a hallmark of computer science and engineering. Capstone design courses give you the freedom to explore your interests, collaborate with other students, and use your education to solve real problems.
Computer science in general is a very interesting subject. There are a lot of cool applications that you can use, especially in modern day where it's still new and expanding.
Probably the most interesting thing about the capstone has to be just the freedom of it. At the start of the quarter, they say, come up with a project and do it. In the start, you have like all these grand ideas of what you want to do, but in the end, you kind of have to choose what you want to do exactly, because otherwise, nothing's going to get done.
It's like, what do you think is cool? What do you want to do? What are you interested in? And you can just do whatever you really are excited about. And so I think that's the coolest thing about a capstone course.
And think about how user will use it and how to improve user experience. And we're doing it on our own. It just feels really good.
The capstone is a chance to try something new and bigger and has a wider scope, and it's something that usually hasn't been done by anyone else. This time you're doing something brand new of your own design.
The freedom is great, especially with the games capstone. It's very visual. You can work for 2 hours, actually look at what you've done, say, wow, that's awesome. What we envisioned at the beginning of the quarter and what we have right now are just two completely different games. You kind of learn to work as a team. I've done 2 capstones now and they've both been a blast.
I wanted to work with a group of friends to create some kind of game that we could show off and play. I get to design all the puzzles that people have to solve and experience.
This is a course that's different than any other courses in the major. It allows you to work on a long-term project throughout the quarter. Most of the courses are just homework and exams, but this one basically lets you see a full project from beginning to end and apply everything you've learned through your education.
Our project is Smart Garage, and it's basically an internet-enabled garage door remote opener. You have a website that you can access via your phone or a laptop or your home computer. It basically tells you the status of your garage door, whether it's open or closed, and allows you to click a button to open and close it. The professor's really interested in it. He apparently frequently forgets whether he's open or closed his garage door, and he actually has a webcam set up that he can access via his iPhone. Use the app and click a button to close it.
For our capstone project, we worked on a medical protocol, and it was really great because we got to use all our expertise from computer science over the last 4 years to solve a real problem.
It's a class experience, but more application-based. Realizing that there isn't some nice printed out spec for, okay, this is the class project, and this is what you have to do in 3 weeks. It's on us to figure out what exactly the customer needs.
Right now there's a lot of children that are being misdiagnosed and over-medicated, and by using this protocol and incentivizing this protocol, we're going to make a real difference in some of these resource-constrained areas.
There's been a lot of changes, and I think ultimately that's what Capstone's all about. It's figuring out how to work with people to solve real problems using computer science.
Congratulations, class of 2013.